In this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube banner with Canva. So all you need to do is to go to Canva. If you don't know what is Canva, it's a graphic design platform you can use for free. Also, they have a pro plan. If you want to try the Canva Pro, I have one link in the description and you can try Canva Pro 30 days for free. So when you register for Canva, just go here and type YouTube banner. Now you can create a blank YouTube banner from scratch, but if you want something easy for you, you can choose any template from here. You can find so many templates. And now let's say we choose this template. Okay, you can see more like this. So just whatever you want. Now press customize this template, and here you can customize how you like, how your brand is, depends of your brand. So you can type your brand name, you can type your website name, you can add text here, you can change text. If you add text, you press text, just type whatever you want. If you don't like this logo, you have your logo. It's very easy. Just go to uploads, upload your logo. Let's say my logo is this one. So you can customize however you want. Also, you can change the colors, you can change the background. You can do very easy your YouTube banner. I hope you find useful this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.